Hi guys, this is IIL02 and welcome back to my channel. So, I received a package a package from my very good friends from Korea called Keep Cool Global. So, I'm just gonna show you the unboxing of this PR package. And before that, I just want to shout out to them and tell them I'm really happy to see this. As in my name on this package, it says Irene Luzon, Ambassador. Yes, I'm now an official ambassador of Keep Cool Global. So with no further ado guys, because I'm really excited, I actually removed the tape from the box, but I have not unboxed the actual item. And it's really sweet. As you can see, it gives us the Christmas spirit already with the packaging. So I'm really happy to show this guys to you. So we'll just move this. So the package is actually this. It's just this. I don't want to ruin the package, so let's just try to unbox it as neatly as we can. I'm gonna keep this one because it's really nice. Oh no, they actually tied it really hard, so I think I do need like a scissor or... And guys, unfortunately, I cannot open it by my bare hands, so I'm just gonna use my cutter. Again, for safety precautions, be careful when using sharp items. Okay, there. So guys, here it is, and it's time to really unpack what's inside my Keep Cool Global PR package. Okay, I don't know how to open. Okay, here. Yep. And here it is. So I have here a Keep Cool Ocean Deep Blue Self-Ritual Kit and a gua sha. Here guys, as you can see, I hope you were seeing this. Here. And it has the suggested usage for the rose quartz gua sha. So they sent me this Keep Cool Ocean Deep Blue Self Ritual Kit. I really like the packaging. It's so chic and classic. So guys, actually before I received this one, I've been checking the feedbacks of those who had already this ocean oil or a facial oil. So as you can see, the color of the product itself is, let me just cut that one and show you. So we're just really going to open it now and show you guys what's inside. Here it is, and there. I hope you can see it clearly here. So this is the Keep Cool Ocean Facial Oil, and you'll see the color of the oil is really like it's not super aqua, it's really dark in fact, and this is because it came from the eggplant extract. And I heard good news about this. It has jojoba extracts or seeds as well, rose hip, and sunflower, and it's really good. You know guys, even oily skin type of person or individual needs needs facial oil. And so I'm so happy to receive this ocean oil from Keep Cool, and of course this one. So this is my first time to receive or to own a gua sha. I'm not really sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but this is a really nice. I do have the Jade Roller, so there's also rose quartz rollers, but this is the first time that I received something like this, and I'm not really sure how to use it. And thankfully there's a it comes with the instruction of how you will use it to maximize its benefits to the skin. So that's it for this set, and I'm really excited to use this. So again, this is it guys, the Keep Cool Ocean Deep Blue Oil Self-Ritual Kit. And another set is the Keep Cool Sooth Bamboo Toner and Serum gift set. So here is it. I hope you're seeing it. So for the last few months that I've been with Keep Cool, I've been using their bamboo suit line of products, and I'm so happy to found this kind of products. It's really calming, soothing. I've been using their Suit Bamboo Sun Essence for the longest time. I've finished 3 tubes already, and I'm so happy that it's really effective for sun protection. So guys, this is the packaging for the, it looks like a book. So this is the whole box for the bamboo toner and serum. So let me just cut that in and open. Is it locked? I'm just gonna open it like this. Ooh. Oh! Okay guys, so this is the toner, the serum, and I do have a small suit lotion. So this is like small, medium, large set of the bamboo suit line from Keep Cool. So the suit, this Keep Cool bamboo toner, so it's really hydrating. It really helps you to prepare your skin for the next absorption of the next product that you will be applying on your skin. So even though this is the first time that I received this big full size of the toner. I do have before their small one, so I actually bought it with my own pocket of money, and I used it before, so I had experience actually of the goodness of this toner, and I haven't finished that one, and so I'm really happy to receive this one as my next supply. But for this one, this is actually my first time to use a serum from the Keep Cool line, from any of their products. So I'm just happy that I'll be now experiencing the serum product of Keep Cool. So for the lotion, it's really also it's the normal lotion that you use, but the difference with other lotion, it doesn't leave white cast, and it's not sticky. So it's, it's really convenient for me because I usually go out and it's really not nice. That feeling that there are so many white casts that is left on your skin. And guys, I didn't notice there are actually a Keep Cool and Suit mask. So it's actually really a good set. So you have the toner, the mask, the serum, and the lotion. And what's this? Oh, Keep Cool stickers. Yes, guys. So it's really cute with the Keep Cool friends in Korea. They usually send with this bamboo, panda, and their product stickers. So I put mine on my cosmetic fridge. So again, thank you so much, my Keep Cool Global family in Korea. Thank you so much for sending me all of this, and I'm really excited to use everything again. And I hope I have given you guys enough information regarding these products, and of course I will be reviewing more of these products soon. So this is it for my Keep Cool PR package, and guys, thank you for listening to my video. I hope you like this, and that's all for this, and see you on my next videos. Bye.